Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and I hope you all had a nice and good weekend. Okay. Now going forward, what I was thinking is like we are posting videos on a regular basis, on a day-to-day basis, right? We post videos and what we talk is we analyze the market, we predict this is going to happen, that is going to happen, and it seems like. It is okay, we will analyze the market, but what I am thinking is I should share some strategies and I should do some adjustment, or I should tell the rationale behind what are the strategies, right? So going forward, we will talk about strategies on a day-to-day basis. Today also I have a strategy which I am going to explain to you why we have taken this strategy, what is the rationale behind or logic behind this strategy. What will happen if the market moves? Let's say market is gapping up by 200 points or 300 points, or let's say it is moving 200 points, 300 points. We will do the adjustment and I will also share the adjustment with you on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so make sure you come and stream the video fully and see what are the things which we have done today or tomorrow. Right now I will share two strategies based on what I have observed in the market, right? So first let us see the market today. So market, if you see both Nifty and Bank Nifty, both Nifty and Bank Nifty has rallied quite significantly, right? Today it has opened at 17,000, around 17,100 level, and it went all the way to 17,323. I think it moved around 150 points, 100 or 170 points. And Bank Nifty as usual gapped up around, it gapped up, and within 5-10 minutes it regained all the thing which it lost in the first 15 minutes candle session, right? So it came down to 37,470 and went all the way to 37,876, right? I think it went by around 400 or 450 points, right? Now, you know that everything has changed overnight. Last week, you know what happened. We were waiting for US Federal Reserve. In spite of Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate, you know what happened. Everyone was, not only me, everyone was thinking that the markets are likely to go down, but opposite is happening, right? Markets are rallying, markets are stabilizing. We are not seeing big gap ups or gap downs for quite sometimes now, at least for 1 month now. Okay, now markets are stabilizing. But what is interesting is, more than that, India VIX today went up significantly. I think at one point of the time it was up by 6 or 6.5%, right? Now, based on that, we have to do some strategies. Now, since India VIX is high, what you will do when India VIX is high? If you ask me, I would say if India VIX is high, you can sell options. Why we have to sell option? Because when India VIX is high, you get a high premium. Option premiums are very high. In case India VIX drops, you are going to make good money, right? So based on that, I built a very simple strategy. This is a very simple strategy. This is a saved strategy. This is a simple strangle. Okay, now you may ask me why we don't know strangle or not. Of course you know strangle, I am not denying that. The thing is, what is going to happen if if the market is going 200 or 300 points or 400 points, or if it is rallying, or if it is gapping up. Now, I constructed this strangle just 10 minutes back. Now lower break even is around 17,100 and upper break even is around 17,600. Let's say 600. Okay. Now, if the market either reaches 17,100 or 17,600, we have to do some adjustment. Okay. Now, what adjustment we are going to do, that we will come to know tomorrow only, or whether we are booking profit or whether we are booking loss, we will come to know tomorrow only, right? So I will share the link of this strategy on the description below. You can go and see the strategy yourself. Tomorrow also I will share the same strategy on the description below. Whatever adjustment or whatever we have done, you will come to know there, right? So this is one strategy. Another strategy is a what I showed is a simple strangle. Now I have showing you strangle. For both the strategy, range is between 17,100 to 17,600 or 17,550. Okay. Now why we are doing this is because if you see the open interest, so today I am just showing Nifty, tomorrow I will show Bank Nifty as well. There is a open interest. If you see the open interest, highest put is at 17,200 and highest call is at 17,500. So let us assume that the markets, if the market for one or other reason goes to 17,200, there will be some rejection or price action, or let us consider it as a confusion, this zone, okay, supply or demand zone, okay. Now if the market goes to 17,000, based on open interest, I'll tell you, let's assume 17,200 is a support. If the market goes there, there will be some rejection. So I have done a straddle where the range is around 17,100. On the higher side, it is 17,500. So our range is between 17,100 to 17,600. Same applies for straddle also, okay. Now if you see the Bank Nifty strategy, tomorrow I will share with you. Now if you see the Bank Nifty, the range is between 38,500 and 37,500. So this could be the range. We don't know what is going to really happen, as because FIIs have been selling hugely, buying hugely. Last month and all, they were selling in terms of around, on an average, 2,000 to 2,500 crores. Now suddenly they have started buying, and DIS have started selling. They have bought for around 2,320 crores today. And as of now, FIIs are Dow Jones, when our market closed, was really flat. Now it is coming into the red. So we really don't know what is going to happen. Even if it gaps down tomorrow, probably the FIIs will take the market on the higher side. So that's what I believe. So let's see how things pan out. Okay. Now this, I'm saying you again, this strategies, both strategies, I will share the link in the description below. Tomorrow, if I make some adjustment also, the same link, tomorrow I'll share the new link where you will find the adjustment or what we have done. Whether we have made profit or whether we have made losses in this trade will be known on the same link. So daily you can use the same link to observe what is happening, right? Rather than talking about the market, what Pakistan is doing or what Sri Lanka is doing, whether we are headed in Pakistan way or Sri Lanka way, we'll leave it to others. What the core objective of this channel is to learn about strategies and how to manage those strategies or how to make adjustment to those strategies. That's what we have been doing here, right? So we'll focus on that way, okay? So as I told you, I'll share the strategy. I will share the adjustment if there is any, maybe tomorrow, and hopefully market may gap down tomorrow. That's what I think, seeing at this US futures. And one more thing, if you see, India VIX has shooted up and market is going up. So fear factor is being wide in the market, wide among participants, market participants. Otherwise, India VIX will not go on the higher side. So keep this in mind. Today also I had a straddle. Our mentees also had a straddle where we extended the range till 17,400. No adjustment was done. I was pretty sure, even in today's live session, I was saying markets are likely to stay below 17,500 or even 17,400. So let's see, I believe maybe even if it is gapping down, this FII buying will take the market little higher. And I strongly believe still, even though market is just 100 points away from 17,500, I strongly believe that 17,500 will be a super resistance, right? So I think I have summarized all the necessary things. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye.